Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on OPPO A78. So first go into the settings, then scroll down to battery mode, select the power saving mode. Next, in quick settings, lower the brightness. I can't do it because you won't see anything. Then, still in quick settings, disable everything that you're not currently using. So the Wi-Fi, location, flashlight, mobile data, hotspot, quick share, and Bluetooth, etc. You can even enable the airplane mode, but it will just disable all that functions. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.